Alright guys, new day, new week here. So, we have the proportion valve actually mounted now in its correct spot. And it...
boy.
Oh. Morning guys.
Good boy. Good boy.
Dad, can I get one of that?
Can I get it higher?
But it's actually bolted through. And I have a spacer down there so we have enough room to turn this. I just gotta make the brake lines to go to the bowls now.
You gotta do
And
what?
I gotta put the bowls on and then make the lines.
Alright.
Oh,
good.
Yeah. There's a couple washers in there so it's spaced away so we can turn this.
Nice.
Are you saving your leftovers?
Was it cookie?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Okay guys, I'll get
Mama
back to you
brought
soon.
cookies.
Just an update video here. So, the lines going from the bowls to the proportioning valve are done. Those are all hand bent, you know. I'm still learning, but they're pretty nice in my opinion. So I'm currently just waiting on more of the line because we ran out and it's supposed to be delivered today, but it hasn't come yet. So, but at that point, then I'll start actually routing from the proportioning valve to the brakes, and then we can start running it through the car. So right now, I'm currently mounting the windshield washer pump. So I have the little rubber bushings, if you want to call them that. And I'm currently mounting it to the car, drilling it, and Devin took my drill, which I kind of need. But yeah, currently mounting that, and then I'll hook it all up and figure out the wire. Just one thing at a time. So hopefully today I'll have the front lines routed. I don't know if I'll get to the back. And hopefully today I'll have this done, which I'm sure I will.